In the first step, we go to the routers R4 and R5 and define OSPF with or without a number that we want. After entering the OSPF submode, we define the networks with their wildcard mask and enter the number corresponding to each area. In router R3, because it is located between two OSPF areas, both networks must be defined with their own areas. And in routers R1 and R2, like routers 4 and 5, we define OSPF along with the networks and the number of that area. In the R6 router, OSPF should be defined with the network in the above area number and EIGRP with a special AS number along with the network. By using the No Auto Summary command, there is no need to provide a wildcard mask and you should enter it. In routers R8, R7 and R9, EIGRP is defined with the given AS number along with their networks, and don't forget the No Auto Summary parameter. In this section, if we ping the IPs that are in EIGRP, or if we go into the OSPF section and ping one of the APIs in that section, we will see that our ping is easily established, but if we want to ping from EIGRP to OSPF or vice versa, it will not be displayed. Therefore, we must go to the R6 router and introduce EIGRP to OSPF and vice versa using the Redistribute tool. You may be surprised that the reason for not pinging is that in order to introduce OSPF to EIGRP, we have to introduce a series of metrics to it, which are bandwidth, delay, reliability, load, and MTU size, respectively.